Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're wandering through one of Europe's most beautiful cities, Amsterdam. Here, water and stone have shaped a city of golden canals, hidden courtyards, and world-famous art. Life moves at a gentle pace, guided by the flow of waterways and the chime of bicycle bells. In this video, I'll show you Amsterdam's most stunning places, from iconic landmarks to hidden gems. Like and subscribe for more journeys that spark your sense of wonder. Let's begin our adventure in the heart of Amsterdam. Our journey begins in the heart of Amsterdam, within the enchanting Grachtengordel, better known as the Canal Belt. This area is the city's most iconic and picturesque district, where history and daily life flow together along the water's edge. These UNESCO-listed canals, meticulously constructed over 400 years ago, form a graceful network that has shaped Amsterdam's identity. They are more than just waterways, they are the city's lifeblood, connecting neighborhoods and people, and serving as a backdrop for centuries of stories. Along the canals, you'll find rows of tall, narrow houses with ornate gables, each one unique. These elegant facades whisper tales of Amsterdam's golden age, when merchants and artists thrived and the city blossomed into a global trading hub. Look closely at the rooftops and you'll spot the distinctive hooks on the gables, ingenious reminders of a time when goods were hoisted up from barges below, straight into the upper floors. These hooks are a testament to the city's resourcefulness and bustling trade. As evening falls, the play of light on the water creates a mesmerizing scene. The reflections of city lights shimmer and dance, transforming the canals into a living painting that changes with every passing moment. For a truly magical perspective, find a quiet bridge like the one at Reguliersgracht and Herengracht, where you can gaze down a perfect line of 15 bridges in a row. It's a view that captures the city's charm and architectural harmony. The canals invite you to slow down, to pause and observe. Whether you're strolling along the water's edge or sitting quietly, you'll feel the gentle rhythm of the city and the calm that settles over its historic streets. Don't miss the houseboats moored along the quieter stretches of Brouwersgracht. Here, life moves at a slower pace, and you can experience a more intimate local side of Amsterdam, surrounded by leafy banks and peaceful waters. The Canal Belt is truly Amsterdam's soul, serene, beautiful, and unforgettable. It's a place where the past and present meet, inviting you to explore, reflect, and fall in love with the city's timeless charm. Next, we enter the Jordaan, Amsterdam's bohemian heart, a neighborhood where history and creativity blend seamlessly. The Jordaan is a place that feels both timeless and ever-changing, inviting you to slow down and soak in its unique atmosphere. Once a humble working-class area, the Jordaan has transformed into a vibrant maze of narrow, flower-lined streets and secret courtyards. Every corner seems to tell a story, and the creative energy here is palpable, drawing artists, musicians, and dreamers from all over. Stroll past quirky boutiques filled with handmade treasures, step into cozy brown cafes where locals linger over coffee, and discover independent art galleries showcasing the work of both established and emerging artists. The spirit of Rembrandt lingers in the air, as artists continue to thrive in tucked-away studios, their creativity echoing through sunlit windows and cobbled lanes. On Saturdays, the neighborhood comes alive as local markets fill Lindengracht and Noordermarkt with fresh produce, fragrant flowers, vintage finds, and the lively chatter of neighbors and visitors alike. Life here moves at a gentle pace. Residents tend to their lush gardens, chat across picturesque canals, and savor the simple joys of daily life, creating a true sense of community. The Jordaan isn't for rushing, it's for wandering without a plan, following the scent of freshly baked apple pie, or the distant melody of a street musician playing by the water. This is Gezelligheid, the Dutch art of coziness and contentment, where every moment is meant to be enjoyed and shared with friends or loved ones. Find a quiet bench along the scenic Brouwersgracht Canal and simply watch the world go by. A perfect way to experience the neighborhood's charm. The Jordaan is best experienced, not just seen. Let yourself get lost in its magic, and you'll discover why it remains one of Amsterdam's most beloved districts. Our journey takes a deeply reflective turn as we arrive at the Anne Frank House, nestled along the historic Prinsengracht Canal in Amsterdam. This unassuming building holds a story that has touched millions around the world. Behind its ordinary facade lies the secret annex, a hidden space where Anne Frank, her family and 4 others lived in hiding for over 2 years during the dark days of World War II. The museum's empty rooms echo with silence, while Anne's poignant words, inscribed on the walls, bring her hopes, fears, and dreams vividly to life for every visitor. Personal touches like the movie star pictures Anne pasted on her walls, and the growth marks of the children make the tragedy heartbreakingly real and deeply human. Standing by the attic window, you can almost feel the tension and longing for freedom, sensing both the hope that sustained them and the confinement that defined their daily lives. Walking through these rooms, visitors are reminded of the incredible resilience of the human spirit and the importance of bearing witness to history, no matter how painful. Due to its significance, tickets to the Anne Frank house sell out quickly and must be reserved online, well in advance. Plan ahead to ensure your visit. Leaving the museum, many visitors are visibly moved, carrying with them a sense of sorrow, empathy, and a renewed commitment to tolerance and remembrance. The Anne Frank house is not just a museum, it stands as a vital act of memory, a place where the past is honored and the lessons of history are kept alive for future generations. Here, respectful silence speaks louder than words, inviting each visitor to reflect on the enduring power of hope and the necessity of never forgetting. Now, to the Rijksmuseum, the Netherlands' national treasure trove. Its grand halls house masterpieces like Rembrandt's The Night Watch and Vermeer's The Milkmaid. The Gallery of Honor is a must-see, but the museum's Delftware, dollhouses, and maritime artifacts are equally fascinating. The scale is vast, so focus on highlights, then wander and discover. After the art, step into the museum gardens, free, tranquil, and filled with sculptures and fountains. The gardens are a perfect spot to reflect and recharge. Whether you're an art lover or a casual visitor, the Rijksmuseum inspires awe. Dedicate at least half a day to do it justice. Don't forget to pause in the gardens and let the beauty sink in. Here, art and nature blend seamlessly. Every city needs a green heart in Amsterdam. It's Vondelpark, spanning 120 acres. This is where locals relax, picnic, and reconnect with nature. Winding paths, serene ponds, and ancient trees create a peaceful escape from city life. Cyclists, joggers, and families share the space, while herons and parakeets add to the park's charm. The Blauwe Theehuis is perfect for a coffee break, and summer brings free open-air performances. Vondelpark is both lively and tranquil, always offering a quiet corner. Rent a bike, find a shady bench, or simply lie on the grass and watch the clouds drift by. Sometimes, the best travel moments are about being, not seeing. Vondelpark invites you to slow down and savor the simple joys. Tucked in the Canal Belt is the 9 Straatjes, the 9 streets. This lively micro-neighborhood is a haven for independent boutiques, vintage shops, and artisan cafes. Each street has its own personality, offering everything from Dutch fashion to handmade chocolates. The area is a photographer's dream, with canal views and charming storefronts at every turn. It's not just about shopping, the cafes and restaurants here are some of Amsterdam's best. Take your time, browse, and chat with passionate shopkeepers. The 9 streets embody Amsterdam's creative, individual spirit. Meander, discover, and enjoy the unique vibe. It's a celebration of the beautifully made and the one-of-a-kind. For a new perspective, cross the river IJ to the A-Dam lookout. A quick ferry and a high-speed elevator bring you to a sky deck with breathtaking 360-degree views. See the city's canals, modern architecture, and the vast Dutch landscape from above. Interactive displays help you spot landmarks, but the real thrill is over the edge, Europe's highest swing, dangling you 100 meters above the ground. Whether you swing or just take in the view, the sense of scale is awe-inspiring. Visit at sunset for a magical transformation as the city lights up below. The lookout offers unforgettable photo ops and a new appreciation for Amsterdam's design. It's urban adventure meets cityscape wonder. Amsterdam's beauty is even more striking from above. Next, the Bloemenmarkt, the world's only floating flower market. Stalls on houseboats along the single canal overflow with tulips, daffodils, and every bloom imaginable. The air is thick with fragrance and color, especially in spring. Buy bulbs as souvenirs or simply enjoy the spectacle of Dutch floral tradition. Vendors offer advice and a touch of local charm. The market is busy but always cheerful, a feast for the senses. Even if you don't buy, the experience is pure Amsterdam. The Bloemenmarkt is a vibrant living postcard. Back at Museumplein, Amsterdam's cultural heart, you're surrounded by world-class museums. The Rijksmuseum, Van Gogh Museum, and Stedelijk Museum anchor this vast green square. The lawn is a gathering place for locals sunbathing in summer, ice skating in winter. The Moco Museum, in a historic townhouse, offers a bold, modern twist with works by Banksy, Warhol, and Basquiat. Its immersive, playful exhibits attract a younger crowd and encourage creativity. Moco's street art and digital installations are a fresh counterpoint to the classics nearby. Museumplein blends tradition and innovation, reflecting Amsterdam's evolving culture. Take time to explore both the grand and the rebellious sides of art here. It's a full spectrum of inspiration in one square. For our final discovery, we seek Amsterdam's hidden courtyards, the Hofjes. Tucked behind unmarked doors, these tranquil gardens were once charitable housing for women. The most famous, Begijnhof, is a peaceful oasis with the city's oldest wooden house. Visiting a Hofje feels like stepping into a secret garden, far from the city's bustle. Many are still private homes, so visit quietly and respectfully. The adventure is in finding them. Look for small doors and stone tablets. These courtyards are reminders of Amsterdam's layered history and quiet beauty. They invite silent contemplation and a slower pace. In the Hofjes, you discover the city's soul. Our journey through Amsterdam ends, but the city lingers in your senses. Amsterdam isn't just seen, it's felt, in the rhythm of water, the glow of old brick, and the calm of hidden gardens. It's a city that asks you to slow down and savor every moment. I hope this video inspires you to experience Amsterdam's magic for yourself. Like, subscribe, and share your favorite city in the comments. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Until next time at my channel Utopia Travel, we keep exploring and we hope you too.